Hey, another day in paradise up on the hill. I didn't do any video updates last week because I was actually busy doing real work. Yeah, pretty much. So anyways, here's some quick and cool updates. I built this super cool go-kart track for my son's birthday on May 4th. He's a Star Wars baby. Burp, burp, burp. Star Wars be with you. During his birthday party, he dug this giant hole with the excavator for no reason. Because why not? But most importantly, we spent most of the week building the well pump house, which is finally done. Everything's ready except for the garage door, which I guess you have to order those because they don't stock them. Good news is the Bobcat's our garage door. Worked out great for the party this weekend. We set up tables, chairs, ate pizza, got swarmed with bugs. Super fun time. So hopefully now if PGE decides to ever get their ish together and move the power pole and run the power in the trench that I dug. But first, Clackamas County changed our driveway permit for our super cool road that we built, which according to them, we haven't built it yet because I don't have a permit for the road, I guess. They made it a development permit. So instead of a $150 driveway, now we have a $2,700 road permit or development permit. I don't know. Then I had to contact a civil engineer to tell me the dirt that I already moved, but that I haven't moved, where I can put that dirt, even though I already put the dirt, everywhere. It'll be all right. So got to pay them too, on top of that $2,700 to tell me how much rock I can put down and everything else, and if the road works, even though we've already had 37 trips of rock trucks or well trucks at 80,000 pounds make it up the road. That part's not important. What's important is the person in the office says this looks good. Not the person that comes and looks at it, the office person, so never forget. So that's been a fun hold up. Still don't have permits yet for the first house site, but here's what it looks like. We got all the forms in for the footings. Made this retaining wall footing right here off the garage to hold up this giant wall that I'm standing on. So whenever we do get permits, boom, we'll be ready. We were supposed to get them 2 weeks ago, but then a civil engineer, who's not a real engineer, by the way, don't get confused. Civil engineering is no different than a pottery degree or any other environmental science, any other useless degree. Civil engineers, not real engineers. I apologize in advance if you went to school for it. You probably shouldn't have. Not necessary. Anyways, since they upgraded our permit, now the county's had our permit application for 136 days and counting. So fingers crossed they get their shit together this week and we'll get something end of the week or next week. So let's... Overall, pretty stoked with how this thing came out. It's basically just a giant garage for Lucas Go-Kart, but we designed, built, poured everything ourselves. Built their own truck.